guys, Challenger Girl Vlogs here, and I've got my buddy Victoria, and this is, what's it called, National Day Out? It is National Night Out, and it's all over the nation. This is New York, we're doing it here, we're in one of the many areas, but anyway, my friend works with the police department, or he volunteers with this area, and because of that, he was able to organize a small car show of American muscle. American muscle cars. I'm not So we've got a bunch of crazy fucking kids right there playing with the cops. Alright, so I'm going to show you some of the cars and some of the festivities and everything, and Victoria is going to walk around with me because we're girlfriends, and girlfriends, you know,
get the charger.
We together in this. But yeah, so, you excited? Yeah. Should be another fun one. I'll have to film when the helicopter comes.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got the cars over here, a bunch of my members, some friends, Victoria's boyfriend's car is my car. Got some of the cops over here with the kids. We've got a park. We've got somebody else I know pulling in. They have the concert, a bunch more officers over there playing with the kids in the basketball court and the playground and everything. And we have food over there and a whole bunch of other things. And over here in the field is where the helicopter is going to land later. And sometimes we, last year they had this big, I don't know what it was, like big truck or whatever that you can go in. They give you like a little junior police badge. But yeah, it should be a fun time. Say hi, Nick. This is for my blog. Nick has a red Mustang. What happened to your car though?
Oh, you see what happened was young girls that can't drive.
We'll have the cops in the background.
Huh?
We got some action in the background. So a girl texting hit your car.
Yes.
He has a beautiful Mustang. What year is it?
96.
A 96 Mustang. I don't know if it's in any of the vlogs. I film vlogs now.
Oh, well, I'm gonna be a part of the vlog.
These kids are having a blast. And they're looking crazy. All right, so let's go film some other things. And this is the man who organized this little car show here. Wait, is this your new car? This is it?
It's my grandparents.
Oh, no, this is your new car. It's gorgeous. Look at that.
So thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming tonight. You're going to go around the floor. Between communities and law enforcement is more important now than it ever was. We're very lucky here to have police officers that take a great deal of pride in their profession, safeguarding our neighborhoods. Many of you have gotten to know them, and I hope that this event tonight will move some of you to introduce yourselves to them and them to you. We need each other, and we need to understand that we have a strong common bond and a purpose, a safer community. So enjoy the evening, and by all means, get to know one another. So we have some wonderful entertainment.
Boy, we got the mobile command center, Yonkers Police Department. And it's gonna park somewhere over here, and you get to go inside it. You ready to get a junior's police officer badge? Like in Zootopia?
Yes.
Here it comes. This thing. Victoria, do you know what they do in there?
They spy on people.
Cool! Awesome.
I'm walking over there. To that shopping center. Yeah, man, I need something.
There it goes.
That line is going.
It's to spy on you in the sky.
Serious, that's it?
Time's going.
No, it's like there's probably like cameras and shit, right? Which monitoring everybody?
We're waiting on the food line. We've got lots of officers here volunteering their time. We got the veterans tent here. They got an old ambulance down there that I've seen at a few shows. food. Oh, we've got a doggy. And our cars are down there for the little mini car show that we're donating for right now. Gotta go get Mr. Softee ice cream. Victoria's hurrying up. Alright, so I got the red Merlin, so that's sprinkles and cherry dip. And you got chocolate. Mr. Softee. Oh, hi puppy. Guys, look at this. She's the star of the show. This is Ellie, the Bernese Mountain Dog. Hi, beautiful.
Penny has known her since he was in a stroller.
Aww. She's, how much is she? 100 and...
About 130 now.
30?
Maybe a bit less.
Oh, and she loves belly rubs.
Oh, she loves
Look at her.
She's a Bernese Mountain
Beautiful.
Dog. You can't.
Okay, so I'm walking towards the field because the helicopter's coming, and I need to film it. So, where'd you go? Where'd that helicopter go? Where are you? Helicopter. Oh, wait. Everybody got to get off the field because the helicopter's coming, which is right over there. All right, let's film the helicopter landing. Screaming to get kids off the this. Everybody off the field. Helicopter's coming in. There's a dog down there. And here it comes. There was such a long line for this thing last year. All you do is just sit in it. It's like, ah, it's alright. I just filmed it landing. Came really late this year. Here it comes. Victoria, are you going in the helicopter? Have fun waiting on that line, okay? There it is. There's the helicopter, guys. So they're putting the caution tape around it so kids don't touch the blades, I suppose. But anyway, you get on this humongous line, which I'm not going to bother with, and you go in, you take a picture, you sit down, you say, whoa, I sat in a helicopter. So there you go. All right, so the helicopter's getting ready to leave. Guy over here is living the dream. Right there. Oh. That's what she is. Okay, I'm gonna go on a swing. I have not been on a swing in a very long time. On the swing. On the swing. On the swing. Cannot swing very well when I am filming. Yeah. All right, you guys get the idea. Whee! That thing looks fun. Oh my God, really hard to stop on this. Stop, stop. I don't want to jump off. I'm scared to jump off before my phone fell off. The event's basically over. What is this? Is this a chair?
This one's plastic.
Yeah? Okay, so what do? I just sit in it and swing? Like, bro. Oh God, what the? Whoa, whoa, I am too big for this. I am not a child. Oh my God. Whoa, whoa, I'm getting dizzy. Oh God.
I'm not.
Oh God, I have motion sickness. Ah, I'm gonna go on the slide. Going on the slide. Going on the slide. Oh, I'm dizzy. I'm going on the slide. Whee! I'm having the time of my life. Okay, so I'm back home finally. That was a fun event. I enjoyed it. The helicopter part was definitely the most awesome part. But anyway, the car is going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Thank you for watching another Challenger Girl Vlogs on National Night Out or National Day Out, whatever it's called, whatever it is. It's for a good cause. Cops and kids play together and have a wonderful time. And yeah, and I think it was just such great timing. Of course, you know, we unfortunately lost a bunch of brothers in blue about, you know, a few weeks ago. Unfortunately, what happened down south. But it was good timing because, you know, of course it was not good what happened, but good timing because they were, they announced all the names and they had a moment of silence, which was very nice, which I kind of like filmed the butt end of it. I didn't realize they were doing that. I was like, oh, let me try to film this. Oh, the light just went out. Oh my God, it's so spooky. I am scared. I am scared. Okay, I'm back out in the light. But anyway, leave a comment down below. Have you ever gone to this event anymore? And leave a secret comment code. How about cops and kids? That's going to be the secret comment code. Cops and kids. Having a good time together. All right, so thanks for watching another one of my vlogs. We're at 10 subscribers now. I don't know if we're gonna have more by the time this is uploaded, but that's awesome. 10 subscribers in 1 month for a brand new channel that came out of nowhere. Yeah, I'll take it. And I'm getting more views than my subscribers, which is awesome. But yeah, leave a like if you like more of my videos, subscribe if you want to watch more, and leave a comment down below. Have you ever gone to these events before? Have you ever volunteered at them before? We technically were volunteers because we were volunteering our time bringing the cars. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.